Okay, so I'm going to talk a little bit about Google Sites. One of the things you're going to be working on this week is building a Google site for yourself. And I realize we're also using Blogger, but we're using them in different ways. And the goal of learning Google Sites will be for you to learn how to help another teacher in the school build a website. So somebody who doesn't have a website, it's going to be your job to help them. And the truth is, you've probably realized this, like for example, the calendar is so easy to use. Wow, it's like, but if you never use it, you'd be like, oh, that's complicated and I'm not going to use that. So your job is going to be to pick a teacher, and we're going to do that in this week, maybe select somebody and we're going to go and ask, see if they're okay with it, and then you're going to help them, okay? And that's going to be obviously the summative for this unit. And last unit we had a test. In this unit, there's not going to be a test. This is going to be the test. All right, so how do you create a site? So same as always, you look at the top of the bar here, and you will notice that there's the button Sites. You click on that, and then you click Create. And I'm going to ask you to select a template that I've included on our OTHS Google Apps. So you click on there, and there's only one right now. I'm hoping to get you guys to maybe build a couple later. So it's a little bit slow. It's not showing up. Where is it? Let's try that again. Browse gallery template. That's weird. Alright, let me stop this recording and I'm going to go and see what's going on here. Okay, so I've added the template that you'll find in your Google Apps, and it's called a teacher template. So here it is, and I'm going to show you what I want you to add. So far, the one thing we've learned is how to create a calendar. So what I'm going to get you to do is go up here where it says Insert, Calendar, and in your case, you'll probably only have access to one or two calendars. So I'm going to pick the one I want. So I'll pick actually my calendar. So can I find Mark Dubois? There it is. I'll click Select. And you don't really need to change this unless you would rather have like the agenda view or the week view so you can customize that. Click Save. And you don't see it right now, okay? I kind of want to just show you here. There was some text there. So Control X, which is cut, and Control V. I put it back at the top. Below is, you're going to change the text here. My calendar. Check it out. Click on the Edit Page button and type your welcome message here. So I want you to say something like, welcome to my web page. Blah, 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 blah. Okay? And here's what you put on here. So I want you to do that. What time is it? We still have time. So I'm going to click Save. Over here where you have your course code, I want you to click on that. It'll take you to this event. And this is what you need to do here. Okay? So I'm going to click on Edit this page. But before I do that, I'm going to open this one. And what you need to do is find a course description for BTT. So if you don't know how to do, I'm going to show you a little hotkey here. Control F, type BTT. Okay? Then I'm going to click down, 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 down. There it is. I want you to cut and paste this. So how do I cut and paste? Control C. Click back. Go over here. I have to be in edit mode, edit page. Control V. Okay. Now you notice there's a default calendar there. for now, since we don't have a course calendar, I'm going to get you to delete it. Okay? What we do need to change here is the title. So this title is not the one I want. Can I change it from here? I think that you can't, but I'm going to just try for it. Oh, there it is. So I'm going to write my BTT course. Okay? And if there was a BTT calendar, we could add it. But we're going to add a whole bunch of other stuff eventually. So I'm going to click save. Now I want you to look what happened. What happened here in the side column is changed to my BTT course. What I want you to do next is click on this. It'll open a new page. What do? You click on edit page. I want you to click on my blog URL. And you can write a little welcome. Here, if you were doing this for the teacher, remember I said you're going to help a teacher at one point, what would you do? You would click on here again. You would ask the teacher, what is your course code, ma'am? And she might say CHC2D. Oh, you click on that, do a hotkey, find CHC2D, cut, paste it in there. And, you know, since you're also going to give the teacher a tutorial on how to use calendars, because I already know you can, honestly, because it's that easy to do, the teacher can put their calendar in there. Okay, whether they use it or not, that's not your problem. All you have to worry about is that you showed them how to do it. Okay? In your case, though, you're not right now going to use this for that. So you're going to delete all this. Delete this. And what I want you to do is to put your URL for your blog. So I wonder if there's a way to insert it directly. So we'll just put a link. And what we'll do is you cut and paste your blogger ID here and paste it. And if it's not and you notice here what it says is it says sites page. It's not a site page. It's a web address. So you would write my blogger blog, and I would type my markdubo.blogger.com. I don't even know if I use that one actually, but let's just pretend. And then you should always check to see if your link is live. So mine is no good, but like I told you, I don't know what my URL is. And the last one, I'll show you what to do with the last one a little bit later. So I want you to get started on that. So I'll take any questions in a second. I'll just stop this recording.